illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a tiger character. So let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our tiger drawing. The first step is going to be a straight line. This will serve as the top of our tiger's head. And we'll follow that up with 2 diagonal lines coming from each side. And then we'll connect those 2 with a curved line that's like the shape of a smile. From here, we'll make the body of the tiger. We will use a letter U shape. And we'll follow that up with a smaller letter U shape in the middle. Work on the legs next. We'll come slightly inward and then slightly outward with a diagonal line here to make the leg and end with the foot. 1, 2, 3. Add the indication of the paw there. And we'll use the same technique on the other side for the other leg. Come slightly inward. Diagonal slightly here. And curve here. 1, 2, 3. And again, little detail there for the paw. Now this tiger is going to be holding flowers and picking a flower. So for the arm on this side, we're going to start with a diagonal line. And we're going to have the hand holding a flower. So basically we're making a big swirl. So this is going to be the thumb, and this will be one of the fingers. Again, this is a cartoon, so our tiger will be holding a flower. And we'll draw the flower here so that it starts to make sense. Diagonal line for the stem, and then some petals. And the arm on the other side of the tiger is going to be picking a flower. So this arm is going to extend slightly more than the other one. Curve line out. 1 to match. And this time we'll have the thumb come up and the top fingers come over. So 1 up. 1, 2 over. Add a third here. And this time our diagonal line is going to extend all the way to the ground. And this will be the flower the tiger is currently picking. You can indicate this is the ground with some grass blades here. And because I think it is always a good idea to add a humorous element, especially when you have a character with a tail, is to get the tail involved a little bit. So we're going to have this tiger's tail holding some flowers as well. So curve up, curve around, and then add a second line this way. The ears of this tiger are essentially half circles that will sit on the sides of the head. Now we'll work on the face. So you can imagine that there is like cross pieces here on the face of our tiger. You don't actually have to draw this if you don't want to, but I will here just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Right here in the center, this is what we want to build the nose around. So we're going to put a large diamond shape in the center of the tiger's face here. And this will become the nose. That leads into the mouth, which is just going to be a smile. And this tiger has pretty large oval shaped eyes, so we'll do 2, 1, and 2. And since this tiger is currently picking this flower, we'll have our tiger looking at this flower. So we'll put our pupils slightly off to this side. And we can add a little detail, a little tuft of hair at the top there. For some additional environment context here, we can add a few more blades of grass around. And we'll be adding some stripes around the entire tiger's body. First, we're going to separate the bottom of the face from the top with 2 diagonal lines here. And for the tiger, I actually like to add the stripes with a marker after coloring. So we're going to move straight into color at the moment. If you would like to use crayons, colored pencils, markers, anything you'd like, you're welcome to move into color. This is what I chose to do. Illustrators, there we have our tiger. Fantastic job today, everyone. When you're finished, you may sign your work. See you next time.